In this Google Bard AI prompts review, I'm going to be showing you how you can get access to 3,000 profitable prompts that you can use in Google Bard in order to create different types of content that you can use in your marketing, plus how you can get resale rights to this and sell it and keep 100% of the profits. And make sure you stay until the end of this review, as I'm also going to show you all the different OTOs and upgrades so you know exactly what you're getting into if you decide to purchase. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mike Thomas. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best deals on upcoming software and courses. If at any point during this review you want to check out Google Bard AI prompts, just go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. The last thing before we jump in here, I just want to show you my bonus page. I've got a ton of extra bonuses that you're going to be getting if you purchase this through my link. All these bonuses will be waiting for you right inside of Warrior Plus after you purchase through my link. Let's take a look at the sales page here together. It says grab these ultimate and the most demanding 3,000 plus top-notch Google Bard AI prompts with unrestricted PLR access across all niches to optimize Google Bard and earn nonstop profit. So essentially what this is, these different things that you can put into Google Bard in order to make it create different types of content that you can use for your marketing. And a lot of times there's these AI tools and people they hear how important AI is, but they have no idea how to actually use it in order to get results from it. This will give you that, things to do like generate automated scripts, article, blog posts, sales pages, all that stuff. And you can even sell this product and keep 100% of the profits as well by selling it to other people who want to learn how to use AI in their business. So this comes with all these different prompts. You can go out there and actually sell these on Fiverr. There's places here you can, you'll see people already have gigs up here. This guy's making $100 here, $90 here from selling these types of things. Download your ready to market your product, slap your name on it, upload it to your server or wherever, and then you can go ahead and start selling it here as on top of that. So it's going to include the full training and full prompts with this, and on top of that you get all the sales materials so you can start selling immediately for a very low one-time price. Now I'm going to go ahead and play a quick video explaining this a little bit more, then I'll come back, show you the backend area and the OTOs.
What if I told you that your wildest dreams could be just one prompt away?
Really, just one prompt?
Yes, you heard me right. We're talking about Google Bard AI Prompt, the game-changing innovation that's causing a revolution in the creative world. Absolutely, Google Bard AI Prompt is the result of cutting-edge AI technology that transforms a simple prompt into a creative masterpiece. Writers, artists, musicians, and creators from all walks of life are already using it to bring their dreams to life.
I'm curious, tell me more.
Imagine being a writer grappling with writer's block, desperately seeking inspiration. You enter a prompt, and Google Bard AI Prompt crafts a story that not only inspires you but captivates your readers.
And for creators in other domains?
The revolution extends to all fields. But wait, there's more. We have something truly powerful for entrepreneurs, content creators, and marketers to supercharge your endeavors. This product is of the highest quality and can help you become unstoppable and generate loads of cash. It's even better, you can sell this product with private label rights and customize it in any way you want. Add your unique spin, monetize it creatively, redesign it to match your brand. Your content creation problems are solved.
Introducing Google Bard AI Prompt with unrestricted PLR. This revolutionary new pack of 3,000 prompts will allow you to generate unlimited amounts of fresh and engaging content in any niche with the click of a button. With our prompt pack, you can easily create blog posts, articles, social media posts, email newsletters, ebooks, online courses, sales page, and much more. Our prompts are well researched and most used, so you can be sure that you're creating content that your audience will love. Here are the niches covered in our prompt pack: finance, health and fitness, human resources, leadership, make money online, parenting and babies, personal development, productivity, programming, small business. And the best part is, you get unrestricted PLR on all of our prompts, which means you can use them however you want, without any restrictions. So, what are you waiting for? Get Google Bard AI Prompt today and start generating endless profits today. Sell it further at your own price and earn 100% profits. Don't miss out on this opportunity to unleash your creativity and achieve your dreams. It's time to take action.
Okay, so we're back. So this is what you're going to get access to after you purchase. You've got all these different prompts here. Make money online prompts, finance, health, personal development, productivity, programming, small business prompts, all included here. You can download them all right onto your computer. Now, if the first upgrade you're going to see is 7,000 plus more prompts with private label rights. But one thing I want you to do is make sure that you click the no thanks button, as it's going to give you a discount here. I think it's going to give you like a $7 or $5 discount or something. So I make less as an affiliate by showing you that. So please hit that like button. I appreciate it. The next one you're going to see, you can get 3,000 chat GPT prompts with reseller rights. Again, click that no thanks button and get a discount. And it looks like is this the last one? 7,000, huh? 7,000 chat GPT prompts. On top of that, you're going to want to click the no thanks button on this one as well. All these are optional. Pick and choose the ones that you want and forget the ones that you don't. Okay, so what do I like about Google Bard AI prompts and what don't I like about it? If I had to say something that I don't like about it, if you're not doing any type of AI stuff, you don't even care about this, you want to write everything yourself, then this isn't for you. What do I like about this? This is really useful. AI is great. I use it all the time. If you want to learn what to actually put into the software and to actually get results from it, you've been struggling with that and you want to learn how to do it, and you want something that you can even sell to people, then check this out. Thank you so much for checking out my Google Bard AI prompts review. If you want to take a look at it, go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. As always, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again in my next video. Thanks.